Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we post videos on forex trading, synthetic indices and cryptocurrency. So in today's video we are going to be diving into the intricacies of MetaTrader 5 and exploring how to set up buy stop and sell stop orders. So get ready to expand your trading knowledge and take your skills to the next level. So before I proceed, if you are new to my channel, make sure you smash the subscription button so that you're gonna be notified each time we post videos like this. So guys, before we proceed, let's ensure that we have a solid understanding of what buy stop and sell stops all about. So these are powerful tools commonly used in forex trading to enter positions at a predetermined price levels. So in forex trading, a buy stop is an instruction given by a trader to the broker to buy a currency pair at a price that is higher than the current market price. The type of order is typically used when a trader believes that price of a currency pair will continue to rise after reaching a certain level. So once the market reaches or surpasses the specified buy stop, the buy stop is triggered and the trade is executed at the best available price. So guys, basically we are going to explain what a sell stop order simply means. So a sell stop order is a type of order that allows traders to sell currency pairs at a specified price lower than the current market price. It is used when traders believe that the price of a currency pair will continue to sell after reaching a certain level. So once the specified price level known as the stop order is reached, then the sell stop order is triggered and the trade is executed at the prevailing market price or a better price if available. We are going to explain in a detailed form the purpose of a trader placing a buy stop order and also the importance of a trader placing a sell stop order. So the purpose of a trader to place a buy stop order is to allow that trader to enter a long position in the market when the price surpasses a capturing profits from an anticipated upward movement. It is important to note that a buy stop order is only triggered when the market price touches or goes through the specified buy stop price. Okay, so traders often use buy stop orders as a way to participate in potential breakout moves to enter the market after a resistance level has been reached by placing a buy stop order above the current market price. Traders can ensure that they enter the market only if the price continues to rise, potentially confirming a bullish trend. So the importance of a sell stop order, that is the importance of a trader placing a sell stop order, is to note that a sell stop order is typically used to initiate a trade in a bearish direction. So in this diagram here, where we have buy stop and sell stop, so in a layman understanding, a buy stop simply means when the market is in a bullish trend, that is in a bullish direction, and a trader now finds out that the price of the currency right now is going to move upper and upper. Okay, so you now you are going to place this buy stop above the current market price, so that when the market is rising and surpasses the buy stop price, then the market will now be executed. Okay, then a sell stop order in this diagram simply means that when the price of the currency pair is in a bearish direction, okay, when it's in a bearish direction, then a trader now places the sell stop order below the current market price, so that when the price is going down and touches the sell stop price, then the market will not be executed. Is that understood? Traders, we'll be moving to the practical aspects of this video. So we are going to place a buy stop order in our MetaTrader 5. So before we start, we are going to open the MetaTrader 5 application. So you click on it. Then here comes out our currency pairs. That is the instruments that we are going to set the buy stop order for. So for instance, now let's say we are going to sell the buy stop order for EURUSD. That is this first currency pair. So you click on it and go to charts. So right now in this chart, the price is in a bullish direction, so it's going up and up. So if you want to set our buy stop order, we are going to set it above the current market price, so that when the thing is going up and touches the thing and passes it, our trade will not be executed. So let's take a price above the current market price to set our buy stop order. Then you click on your plus sign up here. Here comes out this. You now use it to negotiate the particular price you are going to set your buy stop. So let's say we are going to set it here. So we are going to set it here, right? Then the price in which we are going to set it is what? The price is 1.11333. That is the price we are going to set our buy stop. So we're now going to go to trades. Click on the screen, then go to trade. After clicking on the screen, you now see market execution, numbers, stop loss, take profit, and deviation. Okay, then you click on instant execution. You click on it. Here comes out buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and what? Sell stop. So let's click on buy stop because we are about setting a buy stop order for EURUSD. Click on buy stop. Then here comes out what the lot size you're going to use in placing the trade, then the price you want to set the buy stop order, then the stop loss and take profit. So you're now going to set the lot size in which you want to use in placing the buy stop order. So let's assume we are going to use 2.4 lot size. Okay, 2.4 to place the trade. Then we're now going to enter the price. The price we are going to enter is, hope we got it down well, sure. So we are now going to enter the price 1.1333. Okay, so if you now want to set your stop loss and your take profit, you click on them and add the stop loss and take profit. So but in this story you're not going to add it, so let's just place the buy stop order. You now click on place. So we have placed it right now. Look at it, we have placed a buy stop order. So when this price reaches 1.1330, then our market will not be what? Executed. So that's it. Let's move further in placing a sell stop order for EURUSD. Okay, so you now click on the screen, go to trades, and you know that we are going to place our sell stop order at a price lower than the current market price. So let's use our plus sign to negotiate the price we are going to set it. Okay, so let's place it here right now. Here is a price lower than the current market price. So you write it down. Price is 1.09066. Okay, then we now go to our trade. Click on the screen, go to trade. Okay, and then click on here, that is instant execution, and go to your sell stop. You click on sell stop. Okay, then after clicking on sell stop, you now put the lot size in which you want to use in placing the sell stop order. Okay, so let's use 2.6 in placing it. You now enter our price. The price is 1.09066. 0.66. Okay, that's the price we are going to use in placing our sell stop. So if you want to set your stop loss and your take profit, you do that as well. But in this video we are not going to set it, so we are going to place the sell stop order. We're not going to click on place to place it. Click on place. So right here now we've placed two orders on Euro USD, the buy stop order and the sell stop order. Is that understood? So if you find this video helpful and interesting, do not forget to smash the subscription button so that you are going to be notified each time we post interesting videos on cryptocurrency, forex trading and synthetic indices.